नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं कर्नल अजय, सीईओ अजय एस्ट्रो मनी गुरु, फर्स्ट ग्लोबल एस्ट्रो फाइनेंस डिजिटल चैनल से आपसे मुखातिब होता हूँ। अजय एस्ट्रो मनी गुरु संभवतः विश्व का पहला चैनल है जो आपको शेयर बाजार, कमोडिटी बाजार, क्रूड ऑयल, एग्रोजीन्स, बुलियन, मेटल एवं करेंसी बाजार पर सटीक विश्लेषण हर रोज आपके लिए प्रस्तुत करता है। दोस्तों, आज के इस विशेष एपिसोड में हम चर्चा करने वाले हैं, बात करने वाले हैं विश्व की सबसे चर्चित कमोडिटी, द मोस्ट पॉपुलर कमोडिटी विच बीइंग ट्रेडेड ऑल ओवर ग्लोब. Yes, that is crude oil, which is popularly known as black gold also. So we are going to talk about the movement of the crude oil. Before I should go ahead further, let me tell you what exactly we have discussed in our previous show about the crude oil and the cotton. You will surprise, we were the first who had given you a pre-alert a week before that positive movement is expected in the crude oil. If we'll share data, so you'll surprise, the financial astrology again wins. So if you look at the weekly data of the crude oil, it was between 20th to 24th of September year 2021. In multi-commodity exchange and Indian commodity market, so crude oil has been moved from 5,135 to 54,034 rupees, around 6% up. The similar story it is being seen in the NYMEX. The crude oil jumped from $69.41 to $73.64, approximately 6% gain in Indian as well as international commodity exchanges. Reason whatsoever it may be less low inventories and whatsoever, but the financial astrology has given you pre-alert about the positive movement in crude oil, which proved 100% correct. So friends, one of the important commodity, cotton in agro segment, cotton must have seen the very low prices last couple of weeks, but moment we have given you the call on the cotton based on financial astrology analysis, the cotton also seen around 3.25% fluctuation towards up. If you see the MCX prices of the cotton, this has been seen from 25,900, it is the highest, while 25,066 was the lowest, around 3.25% fluctuation towards positive it is being seen so far. So friends, the financial astrology probably one and only tool which gives you the advance alert about the positive or weakness in the certain commodities. It includes crude oil, bullion, metal, stock market and currency market. So friends, please do not forget to subscribe our channel if you have not done yet. If you subscribe, we shall be timely sending you the notification for our every show. Next week, from 26th of September year 2021, the chart, planetical chart, it is also being shown to you. What exactly next? From 26th onward, what exactly it is expected in the crude oil, we are going to discuss. As per the financial astrology and technical analysis, I can say with the planet, the region, the Venus, it is in Libra zodiac sign, while Saturn and Jupiter are making conjunction in Capricorn, while Sun and Mars are making conjunction in Virgo zodiac sign, while Moon and Rahu, it is deposited in Taurus zodiac sign. It is important to note Taurus is the exalted sign of the moon, while the Jupiter it is debilitated in Capricorn, while Saturn is sitting in the own house. All these combination are indicating profit booking. I repeat, profit booking in crude oil. Let's see what happens, whether crude oil show the negative impact, sudden increase of the inventories or whatsoever. But we are expecting negative or a profit booking or a downward movement in the crude oil. कच्चे तेल में कमजोरी की संभावनाएं बन सकती है अगले सप्ताह 26 सितंबर सन 2021 से जो सप्ताह शुरू होने वाला है। कच्चे तेल की कारोबारी विशेष ख्याल रखें, कमजोरी आ सकती है। एक और महत्वपूर्ण अलर्ट, मेटल स्टॉक्स जबरदस्त तेजी दिखाया, क्या उसके अंदर मुनाफा वसूली होगी? टाटा स्टील, स्टील अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, JSW स्टील, क्या उसमें कमजोरी आने वाली है? बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, हमारी पेड सर्विसेज भी आपके लिए उपलब्ध हैं। एग्रोजीन्स अगले सप्ताह आने वाली है बड़ी मूवमेंट ऑयल सीड में, क्या तेजी की होगी या मंदी की? गवाट सीड क्या फिर नीचे गिरेगा? जानिए हमारे विशेष रिपोर्ट से, आप उसके लिए संपर्क कर सकते हैं। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, गुड लक, हैप्पी ट्रेडिंग।